Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Kid Sewing Kit is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can introduce to your child, offering a fantastic opportunity to develop fine motor skills, creativity, and a sense of accomplishment as they learn to create their own unique projects, making it an ideal choice for fostering hands-on learning and imaginative play in a fun and safe environment. Number 5. PREBOX Weaving Loom Kit. Discover the joy of crafting with this all-in-one weaving loom kit. It's designed to spark imagination and develop essential skills in kids and adults alike. Relive cherished childhood memories or create new ones by weaving together. This kit is perfect for bonding with your children and passing down a beloved tradition. Let your imagination run wild. Beyond making potholders, you can create coasters, hair bands, coin purses, handbags, and so much more by simply sewing the edges. This comprehensive kit includes a storage box, plastic loom, vibrant yarn loops in 8 colors, a needle, crochet hook, yarn, and pattern instructions. It makes a fantastic gift. With easy-to-follow instructions, anyone can weave pre-designed patterns or invent their own. Share your beautiful creations with family and friends. This kit is ideal for beginners and children aged 6 and up. It's a wonderful way to introduce them to the satisfying world of fiber arts. What we like. This kit brings back classic crafting fun with its potholder loops. If you're looking to create more than just potholders, like coasters or small bags, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy a touch of nostalgia and want to explore various small fabric crafts. What people say. Help my 7-year-old granddaughter. The loom is rather small, so you need small hands. So good for the hand-eye coordination and the all things fine motor. If you have a 7 to 10 years old girl, get this for her. Once she figures it out, she will be able to sit for 30 to 60 minutes at a time making this. It is very absorbing, plus she'll have hand-crafted pot holders for the family to enjoy for years to come. These come out about 1-2 inch thick. My 8-year-old child read the instructions and taught herself how to do it. She only needed help figuring out how to end it. The colors are exact to the picture, very primary. My 8-year-old granddaughter loves making pot holders on this loom. Only complaint we have is that the loops that come with the loom are very elastic. This means you end up with about a 5 inch by 5 inch pot holder, which is kind of too small to be useful. Number 4. Craftorama Sewing Kit for Kids. Introducing the Craftorama Sewing Kit, a fun and educational fairy tale craft set designed for boys and girls aged 7 to 12. It's perfect for beginners to learn sewing and create their own adorable felt animals. Learning a new skill is made simple with our kit. It includes a color booklet with step-by-step instructions and helpful video tutorials, ensuring your child has a blast creating without frustration. This comprehensive 165+ piece set contains absolutely everything needed to get started right away. From pre-cut felt projects and colorful threads to needles, pins, and stuffing, the fun can begin immediately. Get your kids away from screens and engaged in creative play. This kit is perfect for rainy days, parties, or as a unique gift, keeping them happily busy for hours and fostering a wonderful bonding experience. Imagine the joy as your children proudly display the adorable creatures they've made themselves. They can start a collection or share their creations as special gifts, glowing with accomplishment. Designed for beginners, this kit features pre-punched holes for neat stitches and includes both plastic and metal needles for safe practice. Securely attach parts with our premium sticker backings, avoiding messy glue. We've poured our hearts into designing every detail of this kit. We're confident you'll love it, and if anything isn't perfect, we're here to help make it right. What we like. This option offers both written instructions and video tutorials, making it incredibly easy for beginners to learn. If you want to ensure your child can follow along without frustration and get started right away, this is the one. It's ideal for kids who need a little extra guidance or for parents who want a simple, engaging, screen-free activity. What people say. This kit is great for beginners and includes everything needed to get started. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for young children. The finished projects are cute and can be used as decorations or gifts. Number 3. Dessert Fun Kids Sewing Kit. Introduce your child to the joy of crafting with our fun and engaging sewing kit. It's designed to spark creativity and provide hours of entertainment. This kit is more than just a craft, it's an opportunity to learn valuable life skills. Your child will gain a sense of accomplishment as they complete each project. Designed for beginners, our kit includes everything needed to get started. A clear, step-by-step guide makes learning the basics of hand sewing simple and enjoyable. Inside, you'll find 12 pre-cut felt patterns, colorful embroidery floss, needles, and decorative accessories. All the materials are ready for your child to start creating. Looking for a unique party activity or a special gift? This sewing kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, offering a screen-free way to have fun. We're confident your child will love this creative experience. If you have any concerns, our customer service is here to ensure your satisfaction. What we like? With 12 adorable mini treat designs, this kit offers a lot of variety for creative play. If your child loves making plush toys and wants to develop basic hand sewing skills, this is an excellent pick. It's perfect for kids who enjoy detailed projects and the satisfaction of creating multiple cute items. What people say? It came with clear instructions and little patterns to put together. The patterns were the perfect size to attach to any backpack or bag. This kit comes with so many ways to add to each item. There are different types of needles. 2 plastic and a large metal one. Every project is individually wrapped. Comes with an instruction book. Number 2. Woodland Animals Kid Sewing Kit. Unleash your creativity with this adorable Woodland Animals Sewing Kit. It's designed to make learning hand sewing fun and engaging for kids. This complete kit includes everything needed for 5 pre-cut animal projects. You'll find embroidery threads, needles, pins, scissors, glue, stuffing, and even a handy carry case. With easy-to-follow instructions and enough supplies for multiple children, it's an ideal activity for craft parties, playdates, and birthdays. This kit helps develop essential practical skills like sewing, while also encouraging imagination and building confidence in young crafters. These hands-on activities provide hours of engaging fun. They help children learn about themselves, others, and the world around them through creative play. What we like? This kit focuses on adorable woodland animals, making it a fantastic gender-neutral option. If you're looking for a gift that encourages hands-on learning and creative play with a charming theme, this is a great choice. It's ideal for kids who love animals and enjoy building practical skills in a fun, engaging way. What people say? The kit includes pre-cut felt shapes, making it easy for young children to start sewing without needing to cut fabric. All the necessary supplies like needles, thread, and stuffing are provided, so no additional purchases are required. The instructions are clear and simple, suitable for beginners and young crafters. Number 1. Craftorama Sewing Kit for Kids. Introducing the Craftorama Sewing Kit, a fun and educational craft set designed for kids aged 7 to 12. It's perfect for beginners looking to sew their own adorable felt animals. Learning to sew is a breeze with our kit. We provide clear, illustrated instructions and helpful video tutorials to ensure your child has a frustration-free and enjoyable crafting experience. This comprehensive set includes over 165 pieces, featuring pre-cut felt shapes, colorful threads, needles, pins, stuffing, and more. Everything is ready for your child to start creating right away. Get your kids away from screens and engaged in creative play. This kit is perfect for keeping them entertained for hours, making it ideal for rainy days, parties, or as a special gift. See your child's confidence grow as they proudly display the cute animals they've made. These creations can become a cherished collection or thoughtful handmade gifts. Designed with beginners in mind, the pre-punched holes guide little hands for neat stitches. We've included both plastic and metal needles for safe practice, and easy-to-use sticker backings for secure attachment of small parts. We've put a lot of care into designing this kit to ensure a wonderful crafting experience. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is ready to help. What we like? This kit stands out with its inclusion of video tutorials and the use of 3M sticker backings for easy assembly. If you want the easiest possible experience for your child, especially for attaching smaller parts without messy glue, this is the one to choose. It's perfect for beginners who want a frustration-free crafting session and a quick way to achieve great results. What people say? The pre-punched holes make the activity so easy to allow your kid an opportunity to learn the craft. My 6-year-old and 8-year-old mastered the technique within moments. Instructions with the step-by-step graphics and exactly what you need to complete each animal was excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.